In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then tap on Screen Lock at the top left corner and tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or complex password. When you're ready, you need to create it. Select Next and repeat it to confirm it. Then click on Confirm. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!